fix our Christmas tree.
Mama, flower.
Yeah.
Yuri.
Go. You help Mama fix the Christmas tree. Yung Christmas tree namin last year. Wala na, parang sira na to.
Look what we making.
Oh.
Wait, lollipop. Lollipop. It's candy.
Nahulog.
Candy.
Sige na, Yuri. Put the balls. Put the Christmas balls. Na.
Wait, look.
Yuri, the Bisaya boy. Bisaya na ka, Yuri? Yuri, Bisaya na ka? Yay! We already have a Christmas tree. This was our Christmas tree from last year. Reuse lang natin. Lagyan namin ng Christmas lights dyan. Nasira yung Christmas light from last year. Bili na lang kami ng Christmas light for this. And more decor maybe.
Yuri, look. Parang sak.
Uy! Nahulog. There. Okay, here. Perfect! Now we're gonna add more. We don't. The lights is broken na.
Broken?
Yeah.
Why?
It's not working. Ah, oh, ang lock niya, lock. Show me. Wow, Dimitri fixed it.
But
Some light still doesn't work.
okay, just feel.
Okay, you have to put electrical tape there.
So weird to do it in October.
September is already Christmas in Philippines.
Yes, in December.
You only put up Christmas tree in Russia on December, like 2 weeks,
I
2
think-
weeks before Christmas.
I think middle of December.
But here in Philippines, from September we already put up Christmas lights, Christmas decorations. Christmas tree is for. It's not weird because you are in the Philippines. Okay, we have Christmas tree now. Ginataang gulay. Patola and kalabasa from my garden. At saka okra din. At saka tawag nito malunggay. Tapos yung eggplant at saka sitaw binili ko doon sa market.
Kayo, lami.
Kayo lami. Lami, not lami.
Dakhan. No. Dakhan lami.
Tagalog. Lami kayo. Hi guys! Very good si Yuri ngayong umaga. Siya ang naghugas ng pinagkainan niya. Pero mga 10 minutes na sa dyan, isang plato lang. Di pa rin tapos. Enough na na. You have to wash it already with water like that. Like that.
More, Mama. This is not for.
You wash, you do it. Why? You already know how. Like that. And you wash your hands also. Wash your hands. Done. Okay, put it here. Wait, we don't have space here anymore. What you do to the just upper body?
Just hands and shoulders. You make video?
Cherry.
Yes, my light breakfast.
Cherry.
Give it to Yuri.
Cherry.
Your chick's favorite cherry. Did he eat my cherry here? I didn't notice. Did you eat the cherry here?
I didn't eat it. Me neither.
So good.
Arbuz. You want arbuz?
Yup. Yeah.
Cherry is here. Magandang tanghali guys. Nagluluto ako dito ng tanghalian namin. Beef to. Ano ka lang, stew. Lalagyan ko ng potatoes, carrots, yung ibang mga pampalasa. Pero, pinalambot ko muna dito sa pressure cooker. At ito naman, may leftover kaming adobo kahapon. Hinip ko lang. Ayan si Yuri. Nanonood siya ng TV at kumakain ng grapes. Wala yung helper namin today. Kasi Saturday today, yung trabaho niya dito, MWF. Yung schedule niya dito. And si Dimitri, nagtatrabaho siya. Busy siya dyan sa kanyang... Wala. You sick? Are you sick?
No.
Dimitri is having an allergy, nose allergy. Kanina umulan guys, sobrang lakas ng ulan kanina. Ito ang ilalagay ko sa beef stew mamaya pag lumambot na. Tapos dagdagan ng mga ibang pangpalasa. Baka, nag-sunbathing si Baka, oh.
Where's my other shoes?
I don't know. Si Lenlen pala guys, hindi siya bumalik pa magtrabaho dito kasi nagpapadidi kasi siya ng kanyang baby. Paano naman siya magtatrabaho dito pag nagpapadidi pa siya? Kasi yung baby niya 2 months old pa lang. Hindi po pwedeng iwan niya. Siguro babalik siya pag nag 6 months na yung baby, yung pag nag-start ng kumain. Alright guys, our food is ready. Parang nasobraan ko yung pagkaluto. Super lambot niya, oh. Sobraan ko yung pagkaluto or kulang sa sabaw. Kasi nawala. Walang masyadong sauce. Pero okay lang yan. Sarap pa rin yan. Baby, he needs this higher chair. Still hot, baby. Careful sa. Masarap?
Yeah.
Yuri, yummy?
Gaya siya, no?
Magandang hapon, guys. Pupunta kami ng Dumaguete. Walking kami dun sa my boulevard. Actually, it's ngayon, Sabado, an opening ng Buglasan Festival dito sa Dumaguete ngayong araw. Punta kami ng boulevard, baka may mga events. But before that, punta muna kami ng Robinsons kasi bibili kami ng yung foldable na sofa na pwedeng gawin na bed. Ilalagay namin yun sa second room. Kasi sisimulan na naming sanayin si Yuri na matulog doon. So, bibilhan namin siya ng ganun. Tala na! Let's go! Oh. No running. Alright, nandito kami sa Dumaguete. Punta kami ng Mandawi Foam. Andyan ang Mandawi Foam. Tingnan namin kung may mabili kami ditong foldable mattress sofa. Where?
Big beanbag.
Oh! I wanted to buy that one. I wanted to buy this bed rest pillow.
Yeah.
For when I'm breastfeeding at night, I could use that.
Or for breastfeeding.
For this.
It's for dogs.
Mahala, ano, uy. Why it's so expensive? No, this is not comfortable. I found in Lazada more nice. Good brand. Which one? I think the one is big.
This is cool.
But big.
This is just 4,000.
Yeah, brown is nice. It can fit. It fits our house.
Oh, for this.
Or this for Yuri, Papa.
I don't work under.
Yeah, no, it's dangerous. Yuri will fall down.
But
That's vegetable. We're home, guys. Baka. Agay. Baka, don't scratch me.
the toys
got green and I flipped them. I just like that.
Yeah.
And Baka didn't got me.
Baka didn't get you?
Yeah. And he didn't got off. Huh? I just tried it.
Ayan, ang nabili namin. Doon kami sa Robinsons nakabili, guys. Kasi
I did it.
yung sa Mandawi Foam, malaki siya. Ito, perfect size dito. And ayan, may dalawang pillow siya nakasama. And pwede siya maging sofa. So, sofa siya at day and then bed at night. Yuri's bed at night. Cover, Papa. Ayan, mas maganda siya ganyan. Nice. Wow, Yuri, naana siya bed. Yuri is gonna sleep here tonight. Look at our Christmas tree, guys. I mean, Christmas lights. Ang haba pala niya. Akala ko pang ano lang siya. Hanggang dito lang siya sa dalawang window namin. Ang haba. Napalibutan na to ng Christmas lights ang aming living room. Maybe we put it just outside or we can attach that to the wall like that. It's so long. Yuri, do you like it or we should put it outside?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it? Okay, your chick likes it. What's more important is your chick likes it. That's the most important thing. Beautiful. It's actually nice. It feels so Christmassy here.
Maybe put.
Yeah, it's thumb stuck, but I don't want to make holes.
So
No, it's gonna get big. It's okay. It feels so Christmassy here now in our living room. Dashing through the snow. But this part is ugly. We have to put that up on the wall, on the side.
I would put everything on the wall.
New. Show me your new toys. Do you like your new toys?
Yeah.
What are those?
Like fruits and vegetables.
Fruits and vegetables?
Yeah.
Because there's apple.
What fruit?
Apple and pancake and carrot and potato and pumpkin and apple and apple and
I think that's tomato.
this is tomato
Yeah, tomato, not apple.
and this is apple and this is corn
Tomato like
apple
looks like apple.
and this is carrot and this is corn and corn.
What about the purple one? What is that?
There are these two
What is that
and
vegetable?
these two.
What?
These two.
That's eggplant.
It's eggplant, Mama.
Yeah.
Mama, look what I'm story.
Give me the garlic. It's for, you know, garlic is for the abat.
No?
It's for the abat. To scare the abat.
What?
To scare the abat.
What? To scare the apple?
Yeah.
And it's so spicy?
Yeah, because it's spicy. Yuri, where are you going? You have to sleep. You have to sleep here in your room. You have a new bed here.
You just sleep here. You just sleep there, Mama.
It's yours, not mine. Huh? You don't want to sleep there?
Yeah.
But you're not allowed to sleep here anymore. You have your own bed now.
I don't have.
What is that? What is that bed we bought? Whose bed?
It's me.
Whose bed is gonna be? It's for baby sister?
No, there's baby sister.
Is it for baby sister?
No, it's for baby sister.
Sweet dreams. Sleepy. So sleepy boy.
Over.
Yeah. Did you like sleeping here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Good morning. Good morning. You sleep well? Breakfast time. Eat na eat. Naana kayo re, upat ka buog. Lami?
Jump sa blue!
Jump sa blue! Asang blue? Jump sa blue! Asang blue? Natagpapangitas blue. Na, very good.
Royal pani, bilit pani, pani. This blue tanan. Blue tanan.
Blue, jump sa blue.
Ay, blue o sa tanan.
Yuri, stay sa blue, Yuri. Stay sa blue.
Julia, asa na blue, Julia?
Stay only sa blue. Blue, jump sa blue. Blue. Yeah, so slippery. Careful lang. Look, butterfly, butterfly. So many butterfly.
You here and me here.
Okay. Kakatapos lang ng klase nila Yuri, guys. Si Dimitri, hindi pa kami sinundo kasi early out sila Yuri sa school. Yuri, bantay. Diri ka, diri. Here, oh. There, not wet.
Another water.
Yeah. Asa, Papa? Oh, I can hear our car. I think that's Papa. Say, Papa, too late. We're almost home. Go. Go inside, kay. We're going to Robinsons. Mag-grocery kami for 1 week na ulit.
Look what I bought.
Don't make a mess on our sofa. Oh, you dirty yuck. I don't like your toy. I don't like this. So messy.
I want to clean my hands.
Go wash your hands there.
Help me, Mama.
You clean your hands and then after you're gonna touch that again. If you clean your hands, you should be done with that.
Help me, Mama. What's that, Mama?
Sticky rice. You want sticky rice?
After, and I want to wash my hand there. Help me, please.
Okay. So messy. Uy. Ah, so sticky. Ay, luhag kay Napa, oh. Ahay.
Mama.
Tama na, dana.
I have sticky rice.
You want one sticky rice? No, not this one. Maybe this. You like sticky rice?
Yeah.
Good morning!
Mama.
Breakfast time. Umuulan dito sa bukid because there's a typhoon. Breakfast muna kami. Yuri, eat na, dali. Eat your egg here, dali. We're gonna share. Ayan guys, may nabili na kaming car seat for the baby. Kinuha namin kahapon. Sa Facebook Market ko to nakita. May nag-post doon na foreigner. American siya. Tapos dito lang din siya nakatira malapit sa amin. Ayan. Kaya bininta niya kasi may bago daw silang car seat. Isang beses lang niya tong nagamit. Sobrang bago pa talaga niya. And nakita ko to sa Lazada actually. Nasa almost 4K siya. And then, ang benta niya sa akin nito is, ano lang, 2,500. So, nakasave ako. Super bago pa nga niya. Isang beses lang niyang nagamit. May boxes pa nga doon. Tapos, kumpleto pa lahat. Super bago talaga. Parang hindi na, ano, amoy bago pa nga. Kasi hindi niya masauli sa Lazada eh. Wala siyang enough reason para isauli niya. Kasi na, ano lang din niya to na order, nabili niya sa Lazada. So, ayan. Buti na lang nag-check ako sa marketplace. And timing din kasi taga dito lang siya malapit sa amin. Next na barangay lang. And sabi niya, marami daw nagme-message sa kanya nito. Pero nasa ibang part ng Philippines gusto nilang ipasend. Kaso ayun yung mag-send ng ano. Ayun yung ma-hassle na mag-send pa sa ibang lugar. Kaya, para sa amin talaga to. Ito, ganito din yung brand ng car seat namin ni Yuri. Ayan si Yuri, gustong-gusto niya na. Gusto niya dyan. Pero nung baby siya, ayaw niya sa kanyang car seat. Nung baby pa siya, ayaw niya ilagay dyan. Ngayon, gustong-gusto niya. Nice. It's for the baby sister, not for you. Are you a baby? Acting like a baby. Yung ano pala, yung old car seat ni Yuri. Actually, hindi masyadong nagamit yun. Mostly, nagamit lang yun. Nagamit lang yun mostly sa Russia. Then dito sa pagdating namin ng Philippines, hindi na masyadong nagamit. And then, binigay ko nga dun sa kapatid ng best friend ko. Kasi may baby din siya. And, hindi naman niya din nagamit. Sabi niya, hindi niya nagamit. So, bibigay na lang niya sa akin ulit. Magagamit namin yun kasi until pang ano yun, newborn to until 1 year. Kaso, naiwan ko yung isang part doon na pang newborn. Yung ganito ba? Yung ganito. Naiwan ko sa Russia yung pang newborn. Kaya bumili kami nitong isang car seat. Kasi may pang newborn talaga to. Yan namang binigay ko sa kapatid ni Marilyn. Ang natira doon na ganito, ang natira na ganito is pang 6 months to 1 year na. Kaya, since, eto, I think, good for 3-6 months to, itong bago. So, pag hindi na namin magamit to, yun yung kay Yuri na luma na, hindi pa naman luma yun, kasi bagong-bago pa talaga yun. Yung car seat ni Yuri yung magagamit namin from 6 months to 1 year. And then, bibili na lang kami ng stroller. Same na brand din para ma-attach lang namin to sa stroller. Kasi pwede itong i-attach sa stroller as long as same yung brand niya. Ang ulan pa rin dito guys. Whole day ulan. Buti na lang hindi nag-brown out. And wala yung helper namin kasi Martes ngayon. Yung duty niya dito sa amin, MWF for now. And then, pag nakapanganak na ako, siguro everyday na siya dito. We'll see. And yun si Yuri, naglaro-laro siya doon. Nag-camping-camping siya dito sa loob. Kagabi, dito sila ng kanyang papa natulog sa bagong room. Sa bagong bed niya. Sinasamahan pa siya ni Dimitri sa ngayon para later, masanay na siya. Siya na lang mag-isa. Kasi nung iniwan siya ni Dimitri, the second night yata, yun, or first night, iniwan siya ni Dimitri. Nagising siya, tumakbo siya papunta ng kwarto namin. Pero nakatulog na siya dito isang beses na siya lang, hindi siya nagising. Ayan si Yuri, nag-camping-camping dyan. Hello! What are you doing? You camping? Si Dimitri busy trabaho. Busy siya ngayon. Ako magluluto ako ng lunch namin. Yung lunch namin, gulay at saka chicken liver mamaya. Mamaya ako nalulutuin kasi ano pa, frozen pa. What? The wolf will bite me? No, there's no wolf. And I will stay here on the bed. I need to edit videos. Mag-edit ako ng video, guys. Kasi mag-upload ako ngayong araw.
Mama, look, I got a jump.
Yes, Spider-Man. Careful! Agoy! Agoy! Careful. Baka. Are you hungry? Marshall. Alright, magluluto na ako ng lunch namin. Magluluto ako ng ginisang gulay instead of bagoong. Ito yung ilalagay ko. Kasi ayaw ni Dimitri ng bagoong. So, ito na lang yung sasahog ko. And, meron pala kaming leftover. Marami pa kaming leftover na ground beef sa dinner namin kahapon. So, hindi na lang ako magluluto ng atay ng manok. Bukas ko na lang lulutuin yun. Ito na muna yung kakainin namin. Dilis. Ang sarap. Bango siya. Sarap ng dilis. Superhero give up. Yuri, it's your training to be a superhero.
You don't have good reaction. Very slow.
He gave up.
Yuri, very slow.
Okay, fight. Papa is the bad guy. Fly na lang, fly. Can you fly? There a vroom, everywhere a vroom, vroom, vroom. Old MacDonald had a... What were you eating? Chocolate. Sige. A 1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5. Old MacDonald have a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And in that farm he had a
Police car.
E-I-O. With a... What's the sound of police car?
It's like wheel.
That's ambulance. Wheel is ambulance. What about the police car?
Police car.
Is that fire truck?
No, it's
Hapon, everyone. Medyo malakas-lakas na ang hangin dito ngayon. Sa hapon. Wala nang ulan. Kanina mas malakas yung hangin. Dito lang talaga kami sa loob ng aming bahay ngayong araw. Kami ni Yuri, naglalaro lang kami dito. Nag-edit ako ng videos. Tapos, yan si Yuri, nanonood siya ng YouTube. At ako naman dito, nagluluto ako ngayon ng puto. Puto maya. No. Ayan. Sarap kasing kumain. Parang nag-crave ako ng ganito. Masarap sana to sa tabliya, no? Kasi wala kaming tabliya. Tsokolate ba? Pero meron kaming, Hershey's tsokolate. Pwede na siguro yun. Timplahin ko lang. Eat here at the table, not on the sofa. Yeah? You're gonna get it dirty. There. Si Yuri, bibigyan ko siya ng puto. Kasi kanina pa siya gusto na niyang kumain. Gusto kasi niya ang puto eh. Mga suman, biko, puto. Gusto niya. Oh! Bibigyan ko sila Linlen mamaya. Kasi hindi ko to mauubos. Kami lang dalawa ni Yuri ang kakain. Tapos ako hindi naman ako kakain ng marami nito. Kasi carbs tsaka sweet. Sugar. Pwedeng magkape. So ito na lang. Ayan, merienda time. Si Dimitri nag-meeting pa guys. Mamaya na siya kakain. Hindi naman din siya mahilig sa mga ganito sticky rice. May sarili siyang merienda mamaya. Nakatulog na ang bata sa panonood ng TV. Nakatulog. Kaluoy.